Hi friends, welcome to Ami Academy. Oh, what is that smell? Today we have a super special episode about stinkiest animals on our planet. Ooh, are you ready? Let's go! Look at this little guy, Rock Hyrax. He looks adorable, but smells awful. Even lions run away. Can you believe it? A teeny animal scaring off big lions just with a smell. Next, common skunks. Everyone knows skunks, right? They are famous for they stink. But did you know skunks can spray their smell super accurately from far away? Phew, right in the nose. And here is amazing bombardier beetle. This little beetle sprays hot, smelly liquid to protect itself. And guess what? It's so hot, it could cook soup. Meet the Teledu or the Smelliest vulture. He's like skunk's cuisine from Asia, and his smell is even stronger. Even tiger run away, covering their noses. Now look at this aardvark. He digs holes for a living, but his burrows smell so bad that hyenas and jackals stay far, far away. Imagine having a smelly house that keeps bullies away. Check out this big bird, the vulture, and his breath smells so bad it even kills germs. Imagine never needing toothpaste because your breath kills germs. And here he is, the smelliest animal champion, the African striped skunk. His stink travels super far, almost 2 miles away. Even lions hold their noses and run. So, friends, who do you think smells worse? The Teledu or the African skunk? What in the comments below? Let's see who wins the stinky competition. That's all for today. Those animals really know how to stink, don't they? Which animal surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. Do you know any other stinky animals? Let me know, and we'll talk about them next time. See you soon at Ami's Academy. Bye bye.